Amy, and I'm back with another video. Okay, yes, I've been posting kind of a lot lately, trying to keep it going in that flow, you know, because I get yelled at if I don't. You know who you are, Kevin. So anyways, this video is, I guess it's a makeup challenge. So I'm gonna be doing how I used to do my makeup in high school. For the ones who know how I used to do my makeup in high school, Alyssa, I don't know, Maria, who else, Sarah, Shamaz, I don't know who else knows how I used to do my makeup, but the people I shout out do know how I used to do my makeup. So this is going to be the video. It might be pretty fast of a video because I didn't really do a lot of makeup. I was just trying to buy stuff to create a look that I could afford being in high school. Please hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, and hit that like button. Hit that like button. The first step I would usually do, moisturize my face a little bit, and then I take, no, not a foundation. I took either this powder, contour, and highlight palette, and then sometimes I will take a conceal palette. So this is what I used to do, guys. I would take my fingers. Remind y'all, I never heard of a beauty blender in my life. I don't think there was any when I was in high school. And I never had brushes. I had no makeup brushes. So I took my fingers. I find the shade I am. Q-tip. This is my brush. So I will like scoop around to like kind of get the product creamy and not so stiff. So take my fingers, I rub in, like, guys, I did this because I had no money to get foundation, so I take a concealer thingy. All over my face, y'all. All over with fingers, like, bro. Just when I think about it sometimes, I'm like, you're a broke ass bitch, okay? You couldn't get foundation for 10 bucks? Like, kind of gives more of a full coverage, right? So I'm like, ooh, full coverage who? You know, freckles where? Okay, pimples where, you know? Redness where, like, is hidden. And you know what? My ass was bullied for 8 years, a straight 8 years. And you know why? I'm starting to think my face was one of the reasons why I was bullied. First off, just saying. And then with this powder, so what I would do is I would tap on the powder like so. This is how I would look, but I always blend it in after. And I don't pat either, I rub. You know what I get? A pencil. And you know what else? Black. Color it in like this. I create a sperm, and then I do like a sad face going down my face. And mind you, my eyebrows I did thin, I don't do it thick. Just looking at myself is making me realize, did I really do my freaking makeup like this? Okay, so I made my sperms. I thought, okay, I thought I was cool because, not even cool, bitch, I was bullied. Not cool. I thought that I kind of felt grown up in a way because I was doing my makeup finally by myself, and that I was finally going to school with eyebrows on because I went to school without any, and then I started putting on eyebrows in grade 12. Random brush. So I'll do this. I go around like in circles, like my whole face. I made sure my cheeks were pink, so people know I have blush on. Okay. But I always liked putting glitter in the middle of my eye, and I always used liquid or cream. It was like a bit more sparkly, but I don't have it no more, so this is the best I can show you. The cheetah one, you know, the little cheetah design. I always take this, scoop it around. I never wore eyelashes, so I only put it on mascara. There's two lipsticks I would always wear, which is this pink lipstick and this lipstick from Almay. So what I would do is I'll use this Barbie pink lipstick. So this is one of the colors that I would always wear for high school. If this is not the color that I wear, then I would put on this color, which is like a darker color. So the colors that I would wear for high school like is pinks and very dark pinks. I would never wear red or nude. This is how I used to do my makeup. So yes, that's the end of the video. I hope you like this challenge video of how I used to do my makeup in high school. I know I look like a circus clown or whatever you want to say, but sadly this is how I used to do it. But now I'm a certified makeup artist, so clearly I know to do makeup now. High school was about 5 years ago, so obviously I've changed and learned and perfect. So if you like this video, like I said, comment down below, hit the subscribe button and that like button. And if you watched the whole entire video, comment down what the hell is up with your bangs, girl, because you're gonna be seeing photos right now of how I used to do my hair and makeup in school. See you in the next one. Bye guys.